Hello, my name is Dayanara Davis, and today for my demonstration speech, I am going to be talking about the importance of your dog's oral health and coat care. Taking care of your dog's oral hygiene and brushing their fur can play a very important role in their everyday lives and when it comes to their health. This being said, it's important to know how to do this correctly, both for us and for our fur friends. Here I have Belle, the youngest fur dog in our family, and she is going to help us in the demonstration today. Say hi, Belle. A dog's health can suffer due to poor hygiene and neglected care. This can easily be avoided by knowing how to properly care for your dogs. This speech will discuss step by step on how to brush and take care of your dog's health and how to brush and handle their fur. All right, we're gonna come over here, stand up. Our pets are our companions, and we should take care of them just like we take care of any friends or family. Not brushing your dog's teeth can really affect their health negatively. According to Center Street Animal Hospital, 80% of dogs can suffer from significant oral problems, and the owners in turn have no idea. The Journal of Veterinary Dentistry suggests that periodontal disease is the most common disease in adult dogs. Diet is an important factor when it comes to your dog's teeth. Reducing inflammation by treating periodontal disease can have profound impact on a dog's health because it decreases the amount of work the body has to do to fight this infection. This is what Dr. Chris Bannon says, a board-certified veterinarian dentist at a veterinarian dentistry and oral surgery in New Mexico. And importantly, it stops the pain of dental disease for your dog. All right, so we're going to start with our demonstration with Miss Belle here. As you can see, Belle is a little dog, so we get a smaller toothbrush. For your bigger friends, you're going to want to get something more like this. You can get the two-sided ones. So if you do have a bigger dog like we do inside, we would use this side. And then here we have the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. This is an enzymatic toothpaste with baking soda. The flavor is not the best. You can get cheese and beef flavored, but the enzymes are good for their breath, and she doesn't mind too much, just as long as we give her a treat afterwards, right? All right, so first things first, just like you would line any other brush for humans, you would take a small amount, about a pea-sized amount, not too much. Here. And then what you're gonna do is gently squeeze the side, not too hard, of their mouth to kind of get them to open up. Open, come on, you can do it. As you can see, she is not a fan of teeth brushing. This is one of those things she does not like. We can get it on the side here. Get her little teeth. Come on, over here. Good girl. Get on this side. And if the cameraman wants to zoom in, and we lift over here, you could see, here, put your head up, baby. You could see that her teeth are already pretty white, as my parents take her to the dentist at least 2 times a year. But up here, it's very important to get these spots, because this is where a lot of tartar can build up. And over on this side. Good girl. You're doing so good. All right. And now with this toothpaste, they wouldn't have to spit or swish like we as humans would do. This is completely safe to swallow, even if it doesn't taste too good. It's completely safe for their tummies, just as long as you don't use too much. And I would suggest only doing this once or twice a week, depending on their feeding schedules, just to avoid tartar buildup, unless you're getting them professionally done once a week. So, although dental hygiene is very important for our dogs, brushing and taking care of their fur is important as well. Grooming your pet keeps them clean and healthy, and it's important to take the steps and remember that. Also, remember to be patient with your dog and to start slowly. Be gentle and don't get frustrated. Make this as enjoyable as possible for you and your pet. Also, use treats and other forms of comfort and encouragement, and take a break if your pet starts to shake and get nervous. You don't want to stress them out too much. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate how to brush our pup, and I'm going to run and hit our light real quick just so you can see her coat better. All right, you ready, Miss Belle? So, to start with brushing their coat, you could start either on their head, don't get too close to their eyes, and be extremely gentle. And when you go down their back, be gentle as well, because you're coming in contact with their spine. I would say the most uncomfortable spot for the dog is around the feet and the legs. They don't really like their back legs and feet touched too much. You should just use a lot of patience when you're getting these areas. Get the front, the coat. And what this does, like I said, just removes all of the dead skin that would build up on your dog's fur. And if you do this frequently, it'll keep them from getting skin disorders, fleas, ticks, mites. It's just important to keep their fur brushed, especially when you're bathing them or you live in a dry place like this. You could already see a lot of fur coming off, even though she was just brushed yesterday. Yep. Doing so good, Miss Belle. Right. Go. All right. So, if these tips sound new to you and they're not quite clear, here are some other steps you can take. Have a professional or a vet or someone who is good with animals instruct you on what is best for your pet. In conclusion, recognizing the effects of poor hygiene and what they can have on your pet is a very good start on approaching this issue, but we shouldn't stop there. By raising awareness of what can happen to our pets if we don't follow some of these health steps, we can hope to maybe avoid or prevent altogether some of the cases of gingivitis, periodontal disease, and even heart disease. Thank you, Bill. Bye.